The flames dance, but they do not lie. A fire consumes only what is offered to it. Men consume the world and still hunger for more. There was a man who believed his own words were stone, but even stone crumbles when struck by truth. He carved his own downfall with hands unclean, and now his whispers betray him louder than any shout. I have seen this before, brother. Mighty rulers writing their own doom while their followers cheer. History. History is a book bound in the skin of the fallen, written by the victor but soaked in the blood of truth. And now, they tear out the pages that shame them and hand the children a new story, one where chains never clinked and tears never fell. Tell me, if a tree falls and no child is taught to hear it, did the tree ever stand at all? The victors say, forget. The wise say, remember. The fools say, rewrite. But the fire remembers every fallen branch. Brother, I love you all, but I do not have to like you, and it burns my tongue to speak such words. Yet truth is a bitter root that must be chewed. The past cannot be changed, only faced. Let the children know the weight of the chains, lest they be fitted for new ones while they sleep. Do not be deceived by the man who tells you the river has no beginning, for he is the one who has dammed it and sells you its waters drop by drop.